So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a look. I just see Cody's head. Hello world, thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a look using Laura Lee's Drugstore Starter Kit. So if you want to see the look that I create using those products, then keep on watching. Okay, so in Laura Lee's video, she starts off with her base, but I'm not about that life, so I'm going to start off with my eyes. I use concealer to prime my eyelids, and she was talking about the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So it's brand new, and I grabbed the shade 355 Vanilla. I'm going to use this to clean up the bottom of my brows as well as prime. I think I grabbed a good shade. So we went to a cave yesterday, and I'll have that vlog up after this video goes up. So this video is gonna go up Wednesday, and then the vlog from the cave is gonna go up on Saturday. In Laura Lee's video, she uses Colourpop's Bare It All or Bare Necessities. I don't have that palette. I only have Dream Street from Colourpop. So I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna recreate the same look she did. I just wanted to do a similar product. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to pack on the color first to build the intensity up. And then I'm going to use small circular motions so we can have a seamless blend with no harsh lines. Guys, so the family went out to a cave yesterday, and it was beautiful. We loved it, but I got bit by what, I don't know, something in the cave bit me, and my hand right here swelled up. I don't think you can tell anymore, but I've taken 2 doses of Benadryl to bring it down because, oh my goodness, it was really swollen. And when it happened, it was super itchy and really red. I don't know if it was a spider or a mosquito. I've never had a reaction before. This is a first. So that was interesting. That was very interesting. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 505 brush, and I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye. So my goal is to have 1 beauty video a week, which will be on Wednesdays. And Saturday, I want to do like a vlog family type situation going on. It might not be every Saturday. I don't want to like make that commitment because I definitely want to make sure that I have my 1 beauty video a week. So I'm going to just keep building and blending. And I just kind of tap it on, and then I blend it. Circular motions, windshield wipers, whatever I got to do to blend it out, because we don't want harsh lines. I'm bringing it in to my crease a little bit. I'm dragging in this shade right here a little bit further in. Okay, and then what I like to do to cut my crease is grab a little bit more concealer on that same flat concealer brush, and then I kind of apply it, I apply it right here, and then I look up, and wherever that line transferred to is where I cut the crease. So what I like to do is tap the outer corner with my finger to kind of blend out the concealer. Then I'm going to go in with another flat brush like this to pack on the color, and I'm going to take, let's go with this shade right here, and I'm going to start with the inner portion of my eye and work my way back by just not swiping it, but patting it on to pack the color on. Then I go back in with that 505 brush and that brown shade, and I'm going to deepen up the outer corner again some more. And kind of, well, I'm going to first tap it right here at the edge to just blend it. Like I said, you want that to be smooth and seamless. Okay guys, so this part is kind of important because I live in Japan and I don't have Walmart or Target, and she just uploaded the video, and if I was to mail it, it would take quite some time to get here. So she used NYX felt tip eyeliner, I believe, and it was sold out on base, so I just grabbed this super skinny one. Okay, so let's try this. I hate eyeliner to begin with, so let's see. Yeah, right off the bat, I don't like this one. I don't know if it's because it's been sitting on the shelf for a while, but I definitely don't like it. No product. It just seems dry. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off of camera because this one is dried out, and like I said, I'm pretty sure it's just because it's been sitting on the shelf. I went in with a different liquid liner. I didn't show it because they don't sell it anymore, and I just have a lot in stock. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm going to use this to tight line, and it's just gonna cover up any gaps that may be peeking through when I apply the lash. Alright, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And in Laura Lee's video, she used L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara. This is another product that I already had in my collection, so I didn't have to go out and buy it. But she uses e.l.f.'s eyelashes, and they didn't sell that here where I'm at. So I'm going to go in with Kiss eyelashes in the style Corset. Alright, moving on to our base. I'm drawing a blank. I can't remember what she used, but I'm going to use NYX Angel Veil primer. But I'm just going to apply some to my face. Just like so. But for foundation, she used the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and this is my favorite foundation. I would say it's like medium coverage, very buildable, and it's like a satin finish. I'm in the shade 465, and I'm honestly just gonna pump some on the back of my Eco Tools sponge, very dirty sponge, and I'm just going to dab it on my face. I mean, look at that. It covered quite a bit of my acne. I mean, I know I didn't get all of it, which is fine, but I mean, it covered quite a bit. And my freckles. I have freckles. I can't remember if I already talked about my brows. My brows are already done because I couldn't find the Maybelline brow kit that she used. It's not that I couldn't find it, it's just that they didn't have it in my shade. They had like blonde, ash blonde, or ash brown, something like that, and I need like dark brown, black. Okay, this is the part that I'm super excited about because I haven't tried this concealer. Now, I used it to prime my eyelids, which is fine, it's great, but I wonder how it is under my eyes. I have dry under eyes. I feel like it's just like a Sahara desert. So I'm just gonna kind of blend out the outer corners of it. Wow. I mean, that covered. Like, that covered. That covered. I mean, you can tell the difference. Like, hello, she's awake. She's dead over here. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this powder right here. She grabbed the 10 in this powder. Okay, I'm really liking this concealer, but moving on to bronzer, I've heard so many good things about Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, so it was in her video, I picked it up, but I'm gonna grab this Wet n Wild angled brush, dirty as well, and I'm gonna pick some up and just bronze up my skin. Why did I not pick this up sooner? What was I thinking? I do a little bit on my forehead, like I said, not too much, because I don't want, if you bronze up your forehead, it just makes it smaller. I already have a small forehead, so I just kind of give it some color. She used a L'Oreal blush. I don't have it, and nor the store carried it, so I'm gonna take an oldie but a goodie. It's a Milani, the Milani Baked Brush. Oh my goodness, the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and this is an e.l.f. Angled brush, and I'm just gonna apply this to the apples of my cheeks because that's where I like my blush to be. Moving on to highlight, she used the Wet n Wild highlighter in Golden Crown of Canopy, I believe. But I'm going to use Precious Petals. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to use this to highlight my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit up here. And I'm going to grab, what is this, a Morphe M213. I'm going to use for my brow bone, inner corner. And I also like doing it right here. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face. She grabbed the Wet n Wild Cucumber setting spray. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it smells really good. Now that I'm drenched, I like to push it into my skin. Alright, let's go back to my eyes. I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to grab this brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply this to my waterline. Alright, I'm going to grab this Morphe E18 brush. I'm going to grab that brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply this to the outer portion of my eye and just blend it. And then I'm going to bring whatever's left to the inner part of my eye. So I want it darker back here. Okay, then I'm going to grab this shade right here. I just want to put it kind of right next to it and underneath. No, I'm just going to put it right next to it. And just blend it ever so slightly. And drag whatever's left on my brush to the front. I love the Rimmel's Lash Accelerator for my lower lashes. I think she used a Morphe lip liner, but I'm going to take my Rimmel lip liner in Cafe A Lot. There you go. I'm just going to fill in my lips a little bit. Okay, and for the lipstick, she used a Maybelline lipstick. They didn't have that particular shade there, so I just grabbed another nude. This one's 910 Bare All. Alright you guys, this completes the video of me using Laura Lee's Drugstore Beginner Makeup Kit. Like I said, most of these products were already in my makeup collection and I love them. One of the new products that I really love is this L'Oreal Concealer. I love the coverage on it and I'm happy that it doesn't make my under eyes very cakey. Like I said, they're very dry to begin with, so I'm just happy they're not a Sahara Desert right there. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And until next time. Bye guys!